Alright, so how we go back? Got it out, we got it out, we got it out. We got it out, we got it out, we got it out. Yes. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Forth with ease. This is really good. Getting ready to get some surgery. Cut down this metal piece right here. Take this piece off. It's obstructing the way, so we're gonna cut this off. Okay, so our fence wall's coming along. I've had to just run and get some screws really quick because for some reason our wood screws disappeared. We don't know where they are. We gotta go grab some. Once she gets back, we'll finish up, do as much as we can here. We got a couple, see all our wood here. Shouts out to Mike, journey person mentor, came through. He helped us to patch up this hole here in this fence. And then we also, this piece here, he's cut some pipes off the fence that was here that was hanging off, and this bit of the chain link that was just kind of rolled up and bunched up in this corner here to clean up this space, and pulled it over for what will be a nice barrier fence right here. So, and then this here will be our pedestrian gate area, and then we got some more chain link that we can use. It's like fence wire that we can use to patch up this space or put these wood plates here, wood slats here. We got some more over there, so probably fill up the area there. That'll be good. Here's now. Now walk it out. Now walk it out. Now walk it out. Building walls and walk it out. So we doing.
Walk it out. We'll finish this fence.
Yeah, for now.
Have a few more pallets.
Yep.
And it's good.
Yeah.
Making use of upcycling.
Yeah.
Best way.
Yep, indeed. You gotta twist it back in.
Need some long gloves for this.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, you see? Oh, things on it. We are building the fence structure out. We got the baseline down. It's kind of defined the space. Got a little pedestrian gate over here for now. So we're gonna come back and open this back up again. This is gonna be eventually our delivery gate, our larger, bigger main entrance gate. So we're gonna have gates in the moment. so we're just like, we're just gonna close this off for now. We're not getting delivery like anytime real soon. So we're just gonna close this off just to define the space, and then, you know, get into some beds and doing whatever else. So
bedtime, it's bedtime. It's bedtime, it's bedtime.
we framing it up, y'all. Growin Folx. What's that sign say over there? Yeah, that's what it is. Let's see it another way. But we're here. It's starting to shape up really nicely. We shaped the gates up nice, put some posts in to kind of spruce things up a bit. So
yeah, we got rid of some of those tree trunks. Yay!
Yeah. We got rid of some tree trunks that was in there. And yeah.
Are you nice and wet?
I am soaked.
Are you soaking wet, baby?
You know where.
Soaking wet to your drawers.
Down to my drawers.
To your feet.
until my toes.
Slapping in your toes, slapping in your feet.
We got some more shrubs back there. You'll see they're in bloom. You can see that pink from far and wide over there. It's beautiful. So we're excited.
Nicely.
We're probably gonna have those come out over into this area in the front as a nice welcoming, committee for y'all.
Come on through.
So stay tuned for that. But we building up, family. We growing. Folks.
We growing.
It was a wet, rainy day.
We upcycling,
But,
we
upcycling.
making it do what it do.
Blessings to shout out to Newark Public Works. A good brother out there supporting us.
Give thanks.
And we got some pallets out here to make this up. We're gonna get some more and make some compost bin station. And we got all this wood left, so we're gonna get some beds out of it.
We're gonna get some beds.
We're gonna make use of what we got in our hand. That's what you do, family. We're a resilient, resourceful people. You see that? What's in there?
Your
you
hand?
Make use of everything that gets in those
What's
hands.
in there?
That's
Divine.
where the power is at.
Divine estate. Listen, we're doing a coffee grind dump. In case you guys don't know, for you lovely farming people and amazing gardeners, coffee grinds are very good for your soil. It's good to add for your NPK nutrients on your soil.
The
Really
pH
good
of
for
the,
nitrogen,
yes.
phosphorus, and potassium.
Right.
I just mix it with our compost. We pick them up from a local store. They use compostable, biodegradable coffee filters.
Yeah.
And we just add it right here to our compost. And we just mix it into our compost. So since we've been holding on to this from our stores for the past several months, we're not carrying this no more. We done right here today.
This is a potential compost area right now.
Composting situation right now.
We got a few more pallets, so we're gonna build it up around, and then we're gonna get some more to build it up. So, but we gotta start somewhere. So we gotta get rid of the generous donations of coffee grinds. Shouts out to our good brother at the store.
Local store near our home.
Local store, yep.
He always
the
people for us. As you can see, he has been faithful. We told him we wanted to come
this is what he got us right here.
Yeah.
All that's from him.
One store.
We've asked for different stores and around, but he's been consistent and just giving us tons and tons of coffee grinds. He come through, you're like, you want coffee? I got some coffee. You're like, yep. Pass it over.
And he holding those for us.
He hold them for us for real. Oh, we appreciate that
we
love
appreciate
and support.
The love.
And a little bit of help. He understands. Sometimes he's a farmer as well.
He's a farmer, yeah.
So he gets it.
He's not American, actually. He's from Doha, Qatar. Yeah. And he gives us the coffee grounds. Appreciate it. Family. This is what you do with your coffee grounds.
Yep. Look at this haul, family. Come on now.
This haul is still
coming.
All
that eaters.
It's still coming.
We ain't done.
And this has been some months we've been holding on to this.
And we're gonna put the wood chips on it, cover it up, mix it up in there. And then the wood chips help to retain the moisture and help it start doing the breakdown. Also with the cardboard as well. Broken down cardboard, the browns, the dries and whatnot. Well, everything's kind of wet right now.
The dry grass is not dry now because it's wet.
But we can do what we can.
Woo, it's still coming.
Hey, brother, how you doing? All right?
It is still coming. And there's more.
Shouts out to our local community folk.
Checking on
We
them.
just passing through,
Just passing through.
Bing bong. Look at that. Come on.
It's still coming.
Yep.
And there's more.
Oh, wait, there's more.
Wow.
Look at this. Insane.
This is some serious abundance.
Listen.
Give thanks. I take it.
Boom. Yes, indeed, feed the need.
So, we're going to have to balance this out
Yes, indeed.
with some alternatives.
Yes.
With some banana peels, because we have a bunch of stuff in the freezer.
Yeah, we also have. I know how we
coming
keep.
out here too.
You know how we keep our natural
Our
food
greens.
sources, our greens and vegetables and fruits and things like that. So we're gonna make sure that gets in there too.
All of that's gonna be in there. Now we empty.
Break it down now. Look at that.
Finish.
Wow.
Light as a feather.
Yes.
Good, Gary,
that
over
thing
here.
was heavy.
I need your help.
Heavy.
But we ready. So we'll dump some compost.
Yeah.
Bring some green on.
Bring some green on. Bring some wood chips on. Get it popping.
We don't get it popping.
Garden growth continues, y'all. Rainy Saturdays, we out here though. One love.
Rainy Saturday, soaking to the feet.
Yes,
Soaking mama. We
absolutely. And you see these posts out here. Wonder what those for. We'll find out next time on Growin Ballsy.
good. We out.
We out.
Peace.
Peace.